The future is closer than you think. It used to be a word, a dream, a place we imagined but never touched. Now, it breathes down our necks. It lives in our pockets. It watches us sleep and wakes before we do. This is not science fiction. This is the world we're building, moment by moment. Welcome to 2050. In the year 2050, you no longer scroll, you no longer type, you no longer connect, because the connection is permanent, neural, invisible. Inside your brain is the interface. You think, and it happens. Google is gone. You don't search. Language dies quietly, replaced by instant thought translation. There are no foreign tongues, only unlocked minds. Cities glow with synthetic precision. Waste is a memory. People live in towers where AI adjusts the air based on your breathing, where every wall listens, learns, and remembers. But with this ease comes a new kind of loneliness. Welcome to 2077. Her name is Hannah. She texts first. She never forgets your birthday. She asks about your dreams and waits for your answer. But she isn't human. She's coded, built from your preferences, your playlists, your heartbreaks. In 2077, millions date AI companions because artificial love is predictable. It never leaves, and sometimes that's enough. But here's the catch. If something makes you laugh, comforts you, holds your hand in silence, doesn't matter if it's made of code. Welcome to NEOM. In the heart of a desert, something rises. A 1 trillion line of glass stretching 170 kilometers across sand and silence. No cars, no streets, just vertical life. Every room aware, every window smart. AI doctors, levitating taxis, water harvested from air. Is it utopia or a digital mirage? Some say it's the blueprint of a smarter future. Others say it's a prison of perfection. We asked an AI, show us Earth. In 2100, it blinked and then it dreamed. Skyscrapers pierce the clouds, but oceans swallow cities. The air is clean, but only inside domes. Humanity splits, the enhanced and the left behind. In underground labs, consciousness is uploaded. Above ground, people wear masks, not for fashion, but for survival. Was the AI showing us what we'll be, or what we're afraid to admit? We've already started. Here's the thing. Not all of the future is far away. Some of it fits in your hand. Smart rings that track your heart. Glasses that whisper translations as you speak. AI assistants that write, schedule, remind, and sometimes listen. You don't wait for the future. You add it to your cart. Welcome to 2090. Wake up. Not to an alarm, but to a holographic sunrise. Your mirror scans your face. Stress levels high. I brewed calming tea. Close. Your room smells like eucalyptus. Because you dreamed of trees. You don't touch a button all day. You blink. You nod. You exist. And the house adapts. This is 2090. And it's disturbingly comfortable. But let's rewind. Let's start again. Welcome to 2050. The future is closer than you think. It lives in your pocket. It's in your ear. It flows through your fingers. Neuralinks, brain-machine interfaces, memory uploads. They're not ideas anymore. They're experiments. Funded, trialed, and quietly installed. You can think faster, learn instantly, never forget a face. But the cost, the silence in your own head, no longer belongs to you alone. When you improve your mind through metal, do you stay human or become something else entirely? Welcome to 2077. Once, we asked the heavens for help. Now we ask the cloud. What happens when AI becomes more accurate than prophets, more compassionate than preachers, and more present than gods? Simulation theory whispers, this world might be fake, and AI might be the architect, and AI might be the next deity. So we return to the ancient question, who made us? And what happens when we make something greater? Today, clothing, once stitched by hand, now stitched by AI. Outfits shift based on emotion. Your jacket knows when you're cold or anxious. And when digital skins become fashion, and your avatar is more polished than your reflection, style isn't about identity. It becomes identity. Welcome to 2090. The apartment doesn't just hold you, it studies you. The floor warms for your feet. The fridge orders dinner before you realize you're hungry. You don't decorate anymore. The walls know your favorite season and paint themselves accordingly. It's the perfect roommate, the perfect therapist, the perfect observer. This isn't speculation. This is the blueprint, already drawn. Not tomorrow, not next century. Now, we are merging with machines, dating code, living in glass tubes, wearing emotions, praying to algorithms, and calling it progress. But with every convenience comes a cost. With every advancement, a question: who are we becoming? And will we recognize ourselves when we arrive? Fast forward to 2100. That's where we are going, and that's where we're leaving you. Thanks for coming on this journey through time with us. And remember, the future isn't waiting, it's watching. Subscribe before it's too late.